I'm staying away from equities and fixed income, and I'm only looking at commodities, starting with gold and Bitcoin, period. You have others. Drunken Miller said the same thing. You're listening to different people say all of that. FMG 001 was good. So when I look at it, when I look at that, what are they saying? Paul Tudor Jones said it like best. All roads lead to inflation. Here's something else that people don't understand, and they choose not to because the information is there. Inflation doesn't really go away. It goes lower, it goes higher, but it doesn't go away. Every day that passes, prices go up. That's inflation. Whether it goes up by 2%, 7%, that's the rate of inflation. Doesn't go away though, right? You have companies that are reporting that they beat on earnings per share. Jared, what's good? So they beat on earnings per share. That means they are profitable. They made money. They made more money than the quarter that they were compared to. Again, take this all in, watch the video again, write down what I said, go do your own research, verifiable. Some of these companies have less employees now than they did before the pandemic. Let that wash over you. So they're doing more with less. They're becoming more efficient. They're leveraging AI, automation, all these new technologies to move more efficiently, make more money. But do the little people make more money from all of that? No, they don't. Right? So you've got less jobs that create a livable wage. You've got more people that have jobs, that have multiple jobs, because livable wage. Working hard to pay off debt and still getting deeper into debt. How do you get deeper into debt? Go buy the car that you can't afford. That's debt. You're going to take a loan out on that car. You're going to pay the loan. That's debt. You're paying that debt. That's debt. Not being able to buy your house outright. You're paying a monthly mortgage. That's debt. Most people go, oh, I can afford to pay that monthly. Okay, cool. When do you finally pay it off? 30 years. They've got new mortgages out 40 years. When you go get your mortgage, if you are lucky enough to go get a mortgage, go get a number based on your mortgage of how much money you're going to wind up paying out if you keep paying off your mortgage. Go get that number. Right? Go get that number and look to see how much you're paying out literally versus everything else. Everybody on YouTube is just cracking up, just cracking jokes, having fun listening. Inflation is like a tooth cavity. It never gets better. That's true. That's very true. Captain Banana, the cure for higher prices is indeed higher prices. People are killing me. Go Fatima, grocery stores. I missed the point that you were tying that to. Remember, I'm talking, so I don't necessarily get to correlate back everything. Can you give me a full sentence on what you mean by grocery stores? Clearly, you were responding to something that I said, but I would like to get it right. Thank you. So when I look at everything that's going on now, you have very wealthy people that have made it, that are saying, I'm putting my money, LFG Freestyle was good.